Before we begin, let me quickly show you where we are in this full LLM course. In the first two videos, we covered the foundation of large language models. I explained what LLMs are, how they are learned, tokens, parameters, training, fine-tuning, prompt engineering, context window, hallucination, and RAG system. Now in the final part, I will explain the last 5 real-world topics that matter most. First, we will look at the use cases and see how LLMs are used in business, healthcare, coding, education, content creation, and productivity. Then I will explain cost and speed, including pricing, token usage, response time, and how to use AI efficiently. After that, we will cover open and closed models, so you can understand the difference between open source and private AI models and when to use each of them. Next, I will explain the future of LLM, including AI agent, multimodal systems, automation, and upcoming trends. Finally, we will end this with a final summary where I will simplify all the key lessons into practical takeaways. This video is designed to give you clear concept, practical insights, and future-ready knowledge. So stay till the end because bonus tips and key takeaways are waiting for you. So let's begin. Quickly show you where we are in this full LLM course. In the first two videos, we covered the foundation of large language models. I explained what LLMs are, how they are learned, tokens, parameters, training, fine-tuning, prompt engineering, context window, hallucination, and RAG system. Now in the final part, I will explain the last 5 real-world topics that matter most. First, we will look at the use cases and see how LLMs are used in business, healthcare, coding, education, content creation, and productivity. Then I will explain cost and speed, including pricing, token usage, response time, and how to use AI efficiently. After that, we will cover open and closed models, so you can understand the difference between open source and private AI models and when to use each of them. Next, I will explain the future of LLM, including AI agent, multimodal systems, automation, and upcoming trends. Finally, we will end this with a final summary where I will simplify all the key lessons into practical takeaways. This video is designed to give you clear concept, practical insights, and future-ready knowledge. So stay till the end because bonus tips and key takeaways are waiting for you. So let's begin. Let's start with LLM use cases. Large language models are useful because they can understand text, create content, analyze data, and automate work across many industries. One major use case is content and communication. With email, reports, blogs, summaries, grammar improvement, and translation. They are also widely used in customer support, data analysis, coding, education, business operations, sales, HR, and legal tasks. Industries like healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing are also using LLMs rapidly. The biggest benefits are higher productivity, lower the cost, faster the work, and better user experience. In simple words, LLMs are becoming digital workers across every industry. I will explain all these use cases in detail in the upcoming LLM use case playlist. So, subscribe to my channel and stay updated. Now let me explain you what are LLM cost and speed. Understanding cost and speed is important because it helps you choose the right LLM for your budget and use case. Cost usually depends on token. Both your input prompt and the output response, longer prompts and longer answers usually means higher cost. Main cost factor include model pricing, token count, model size, context window, and caching. Premium models often cost more, while smaller and open models may cost less. Now let's talk about speed. LLM speed depends on model size, hardware, context length, network latency, and optimization. In simple words, larger models may be slower, while smaller models often respond faster. There are 3 common speed matrices for LLM. The first is TTFT, time for the first token. How quickly the model starts replying. Then there is TPS, token per second, how fast it generates text. Then there is total response time, full time taken to complete the answer. There is always a trade-off. Cheaper models may be faster but less capable. Premium models may be smarter but slower to response or more expensive. That is why business choose models based on task, speed for support, quality for coding, and legal work. Best optimization tips: use shorter prompts, reduce extra context, limit output length, use caching, and choose the right model size. The key takeaway is simple: balance cost, speed, and quality for best AI results. Now let me explain you what are open and closed models. When choosing an AI model, one big decision is whether to use an open model or a closed model. Both are powerful, but the best choice depending on your needs. Open models are usually available for download, customization, fine-tuning, and self-hosting. Examples including Meta Platform, Llama, Mistral AI, Google Gemma, and Falcon. Their biggest advantage is control. You can keep data privately, run them on your own servers, customize them, and reduce vendors lock-in. They are great for research, privacy, and long-term cost saving. However, open models often need more technical skills, infrastructure, tuning, and maintenance. Closed models are owned by companies and usually accessed through API or apps. Examples include OpenAI GPT, Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, and Cohere. The biggest advantage is convenience. They often use strong results, regular updates, enterprise support, and fast development. But they may cost more, offer less customization, and create vendor dependency. Many companies now use hybrid approach: open models for private internal work and closed models for premium tasks. Choose open models for control, privacy, and customization. Choose closed model for speed, simplicity, and top performance. The key takeaway is simpler. There is no perfect model. Choose the one that the best balances cost, privacy, speed, and quality for your needs. Now let us discuss the future of LLM. Large language models are evolving fast, and their future is about smarter systems, deeper understanding, and wider real-world impact. Early LLM focused on basic language tasks. Today, they are already used in business tools, education, coding, and daily workflow. The next stage is AI everywhere: faster, smarter, and more personalized. One major trend is better reasoning. Future models will improve logic, planning, and problem solving. Another big trend is multimodal AI. Models will understand text, image, audio, and video in one system. Personalization will also grow. AI will adapt to your goals, preferences, and context to give better support. LLM will connect with your apps, tools, database, and devices to complete tasks, not just text. This leads to AI agents that can plan actions and automate workflows. The opportunities are higher: better education, higher productivity, faster research, stronger creativity, and smarter decisions. But challenges remain: bias, privacy, misinformation, transparency, regulation, and compute cost. Responsible AI will be critical. Key trends to watch are smaller efficient model, edge AI, on-device, long memory systems, open ecosystem, and human-AI collaboration. In simple words, the future of LLM is not just better chatbots. It's a AI becoming powerful partner in how we work, learn, create, and solve the problems. So now let's conclude this video with the LLM Master Summary. We have reached the final part of this complete large language model course. Now let me connect everything in one simple summary. An LLM is an AI system trained on massive text data to understand language and generate human-like responses. It works by predicting the next token using neural network, transformers, attention, and learn pattern. We covered the core building blocks: tokens, parameters, training, and inference. We also explored different types of models such as base model, instruction-tuned models, chat models, and multimodal systems. We then looked at real-world use cases. LLMs are transforming content creation, customer support, coding, education, business operation, healthcare, finance, and more. We also learned that the best model is not always the biggest one. Smart decisions come from balancing quality, speed, token, cost, and budget. For model choice, open models give more control and customization, while closed models offer convenience, support, and strong performance. We covered RAG systems where AI retrieves outside information before answering. This helps reduce hallucination and improve accuracy. Best practices are simple: use clear prompts, give context, verify outputs, and use AI responsibly. We also discussed risks like hallucination, bias, privacy, security, and over-reliance on AI. Looking ahead, the future includes smart reasoning, multimodal AI, agent, personalization, and deeper business integration. The biggest takeaway is this: LLMs are not just chatbots, they are becoming a new computing layer for work, learning, creativity, and automation. Your next step is simple: keep learning, experimenting, and build real projects. Thank you for learning with me. Now, let me congratulate everyone who have completed this full course on large language model by watching all the three of the videos. Now, you have a strong foundation in one of the most important technologies shaping the future. You learned LLM fundamentals, advanced topics like prompt engineering, fine-tuning, hallucination, and RAG, plus real-world use cases, cost, speed, model, choice, and future trends. You now understand the core concepts and practical side of model AI system. Screenshot any of the slides you found useful and save the key ideas for future reference. Now apply what you learned in studies, coding, business, research, or career growth. Keep learning, keep building, keep innovating. The journey is only beginning. Go build something amazing with LLM, and thanks for being a part of this journey. In the next video, we will start a new series called AI Image Generation in detail. We will learn how modern text-to-image tools creating stunning visuals from simple prompts, from beginner to advanced level. We will cover the best AI image tool, how to choose the right platform, and how to write prompts like a pro for better result. You will also learn styles, model, accept ratios, settings, quality control, and how prompts change outputs. And also then we will move to advanced techniques like image editing, image-to-image style transfer, variations, and creative control. We also include bonus prompts so you can instantly test powerful ideas and create better images faster. The next series is all about turning imagination into visuals. So stay tuned. In the next video, a new adventure begins. So let's create something incredible together.